I think she realized it's coming from your hand.
There you go, by Minnie. See what Minnie does.
No, Minnie doesn't like it. Minnie's a more nervous kind of dog. She doesn't like that. Yeah, hey, look, Lee, keep it away from Minnie, Hannah.
Alright, I was trying to get Lucy, but Minnie was right now.
You got it here.